NutritionsMarket.com, and I'm going to teach you how to make crepes. And if you are a crepe lover, my crepe lover friends said these crepes taste better than real crepes, okay? So we're gonna get into it now. All you do, you can do this with any of the mixes. I'm gonna give you an example of what to do with the Baker's Basic mix and an example of what to do with the chocolate mix, okay? So all you do is put a mix in the cereal bowl, and you can buy bulk, okay? Don't forget, these are 5 for $15, but this is on sale where you get 20 servings for $40. So one of these, one serving should make about 3 crepes. All I'm gonna do is whatever the directions are on the back. I'm gonna add 1 egg, and then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons heavy whipping cream. Okay, I'm gonna get a fork and mix the two. Okay guys, so now, instead of microwaving it 90 seconds and getting a cake texture, I'm going to put it in a tortilla maker and make a crepe out of it. So one of these, again, should make 3 crepes. You don't need much, otherwise it's gonna spill everywhere. Does it need a little bit more time? Nope, it's all ready. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, so there's my crepe. Now what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of cream cheese frosting to it. Don't need much. And what you do is you do it to a corner, right? Because we're gonna fold them up too. And we'll throw some strawberries on here. Fold it up. And you have a delicious crepe, okay? See this? And one thing I'm gonna put is, I'm gonna do this to it too, because that's what they do to crepes, right? So this is a chocolate strawberry crepe, okay? Now we're gonna do the blueberry one. We're gonna do this again. So once you add the egg and the cream, you're gonna spray your tortilla maker. This is what's nice about a tortilla maker, guys. You don't just make tortillas, you can make crepes too. And again, one serving makes about 3 crepes. I'll just say 30 to 45 seconds. Okay, see that? That's 30 to 45 seconds. Again, ooh, that's hot. We're gonna do the same thing here. We're gonna put some cream cheese frosting in a corner. And we've got some customers here wanting to try it. And you can use fresh fruit, you can use frozen fruit. The blueberries are frozen, the strawberries were fresh. Look at that, guys. Look at that. And then you could put some more blueberries on top. See that? And again, guys, one mix of this, one mix makes, see how much I got left? One mix should give you 3 crepes. So that would be one mix for the day. If you want to lose weight, you do 2 mixes a day. Okay? So this is just another thing you can do with HealthyTreatsMarket.com mixes. Okay, guys? Thanks for watching. God bless you.
Hi, so my daughter and I were here while Tamara was making her crepes, and we get to be the lucky taste testers. So this is my first time eating a crepe, not hers. And this is the Baker's Basic yeah, with blueberries and cream cheese frosting. That's amazing. That is amazing. Oh my god.
I love crepes.
That is amazing. All right, try yours. She's eating the chocolate strawberry with cream cheese.
so good.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
Do you like it? Does it taste like a crepe?
It does.
Okay, I want
I'm
them
mom's
to say,
favorite daughter, you know? Like, yeah.
Go ahead, try it.
That's really good.
Oh my god.
Is it really
It's
good?
better than the last grape I had. Like, that was actually real.
That's what I'm saying. People said it tastes better than real crepes.
It's a really big bite.
Be honest.
They're
Does
still
it,
eating.
Does it taste better than a real crepe?
Yes.